Lindsay Clancy is slated to start trial next week, but the real question is this a waste of taxpayer dollars? And does there need to be a bigger conversation about treating women when they are postpartum? It's a great day for a great day. My name is Sydney Rushing. I'm a criminal defense attorney in the state of Michigan. Now let's talk about it. Lindsay Clancy is slated to begin trial on Monday on 3 counts of unaliving. Those victims were her children while she was in the middle of what her defense is calling postpartum psychosis. The prosecutors have dismissed 3 counts of strangulation, stating that it is kind of redundant to the charges that she's facing. At a key hearing earlier this week, the judge ruled that the defense cannot call lay witnesses to testify about their experiences with postpartum depression, postpartum anxiety, postpartum psychosis, because he said it's well established that this is a real thing and no one doubts that it's a real thing, and that the experts can testify to this condition and what it outlines and what happens during it and all of that. The defense also said that they would be seeking an insanity defense for Ms. Clancy, and we all can understand why. Obviously, they're saying that this is due to the postpartum depression and postpartum psychosis, all the medications that she was on is which led to this incident. And this is where my question is this a waste of taxpayer dollars? Because Ms. Clancy, through her attorney, has said that, this incident happened, that she did this incident, but she's not criminally responsible for it. And she even asked for a bifurcated trial, which means that there's the several trials. There's one for guilt and there's one where is she criminally responsible. Due to the media in this case, the judge said he's going to see 18 jurors, which is a little bit more than the 12 that we usually do. This is due to the fact in case anyone breaks the sequestration order, breaks any of the rules, or does something that they're not supposed to do, or doesn't show back up. They're expecting the trial to last 6 to 8 weeks, and it begins on July 20th. The judge also said that he wanted to see the bulk of the photos that the parties want to admit, and he's going to determine which ones can actually be shown to the jury due to the sensitive nature, the emotional nature of all of this, because this case truly is so sad. I'm going to be very curious to see how this case ends up playing out. Thanks for being here. Thanks for following along. And here's the question of the day. Before you've heard all the evidence and everything, do you think that Lindsay Clancy, if she was experiencing postpartum psychosis or postpartum depression, and this incident alleged to have happened and she did it, do you think she should be held criminally responsible? Let me know in the comments.